Devil's food cake and strawberry cake.
So Santa gave you a present that you can't use. Thank you, Lay. What'd you get, Lay? Show Mommy what you got. What is that? Is that for your doll?
My first dollhouse. This is Mom and Dad's room.
Keaton, I want you to open one more. Wait.
Yep.
Love you, but move out of the way, dear. What is that? What do you do with that? How are you going to bake things if you don't have an oven?
What do you have to do? Mom and Dad have to make those? Okay. Maybe we'll make them.
Maybe, I don't know. Is there any more presents left with your name on it?
Is there anything else?
Yep, there's more. Right behind you, Mommy.
Do you see any with your name on it? Flip it one more time. Is there...
Do you see your name on it?
No. What's that?
Look under your hand.
So what do you think that could be?
There. Yeah, look right by your belly.
Maybe you should open it.
It does say your name on it, I think.
Yes, but I have this. I have the 7.
It has a 7?
Yes.
That's a T.
I don't know.
Thank
Oh,
you.
geez. Why don't you open it?
Try it.
See if it is for you.
Maybe it might be a big oven.
I don't know.
Because they love big ovens.
I hope Santa remembered that you wanted a bake oven.
You put it on your list, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. It's a big oven! 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 Yes! A big oven! I love big ovens! Yay!
Oh my gosh, Santa knew that you wanted a bake oven.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool looking.
Oh, it's heavy.
It is heavy.
Yeah.